Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to your MacBook Air M4. To pair a Bluetooth device, I'm gonna use AirPods, but you can use any other device that can be paired with Bluetooth. It can be a mouse, it can be other headphones, it can be a keyboard or whatever you want to pair. If you don't know how to put your device in pairing mode, either read the manual or what I recommend doing. You may find a video on our channel, especially for headphones, on how to put them in pairing mode. So I'm just gonna open them, then I can go to the control center on my Mac, go to Bluetooth, make sure it's on. Then I'm gonna go to the Bluetooth settings, and in nearby devices the AirPods should be shown. I'm gonna close them and reopen them, maybe they'll show now. If they don't, then I'm gonna press and hold on the back button until I hear a sound. And now I can see them. I can click on connect. Then I can just set them up. Cancel the Hey Siri. And then you can see they are connected. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.